Hi everyone, today I will show you how I went from this to this. If you have seen my last devlog about the physics simulator, you probably know that I left off with bouncing balls, and if you have seen my last video where I showed you 14 Python projects in 8 minutes, you were probably confused because in the second version there are balls, a color selection tool, and even a system to move balls with multi-select. Just to clear up the confusion, I did work on the physics simulator between the last devlog and the last video, so here is a brief overview of what I did. I made static walls. I changed the way objects reacted to collisions. I added a way to add walls and balls yourself with a prototype GUI. I added a color selection tool. I added multi-select to be able to move and delete multiple objects at the same time. To use it, you need to hold shift and click on the balls you want to add to the selection, or hold Ctrl and drag to make the selection. To delete them, you just press delete. So you didn't miss out on a lot. Let's get into the development. I started by adding polygons that fall. So still the same physics as the balls. I also added an option to make the object static like a wall. I added a collision system for the polygons based on triangles. I made a little test script to see if it worked. And this is a visualization of it in the physics simulator. Then I made it so if a collision is detected, the shape will rotate around that point with a calculated angular momentum. The angular momentum gets calculated based on where the center of mass is and how fast it's going. I changed the mechanics of moving something with your mouse so it looks better, and now it also dangles from the cursor. I then made it so two objects gliding in midair reacted the right way. So they would rotate and their velocities would adjust based on their mass, among other things. I made separate methods for calculating velocities in air and for objects on the ground, so as few as possible intersections needed to take place. Still not perfect, but for now it's good enough. Objects also have a bounciness and friction value. That's in a nutshell what I did. Of course I ran into many problems and errors along the way. Sometimes I spent hours trying to figure out what went wrong, but I'm proud of the end result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates to the simulator and other projects. I still have a lot of great ideas to add to the simulator. If you have any ideas you want to see added, comment it down below. Here are some cool shots of the simulator. If you want to play around with it, check out the link in the description to the GitHub repository. Bye!